The human life has always been a story of learning the right lessons and also unlearning about the wrong thing that we always encounter in life. Chernobyl is a reminder of what a human catastrophe it could be if we do not handle some of the very sensitive issues that are confronting India, or for that matter the world today. We need energy for sure, but we need the energy which will actually enlighten the lives of people and will not extinguish many of the human lives, will not make them unhappy for whole of the generation but also the generation to follow, but will really make pleasure and happiness in their life. And for that we have to be extremely careful dealing with the new areas, new issues, new technologies, and the nuclear power is one such issue. It's not only Chernobyl which we thought and long forgotten, because this was one of a stray incident people thought, one of the freak accident that could take place. But now what has happened in Japan, we really need to think twice about how to handle nuclear power to ensure that power is generated but not generated in a manner that could cause so much of damage going beyond generations. And that's what is a very crucial thing. In fact, till Fukushima happened, we thought that the Chernobyl one was a man-made disaster. It could not be handled properly. But new situation that has now arisen is that country like Japan, which is already sitting on a very seismic area where always such type of disasters could take place, could not handle it despite their ability to comprehend and deal with those issues so successfully using the best of technologies. So I think India needs to be extremely careful to deal with that.